What is that dreaded list of 100? You're probably on here because this is something that you're told to do first when you join a network marketing company, is to make a list of 100 of all of your friends and family, and then there's a procedure of sending them certain scripts, inviting them to take a look at what you have, right? And you're probably someone who doesn't want to do it, or has done it and didn't really have quite results with that, and have family avoiding them for all the holidays. And this is something that I want to talk about today. I want to show you how you can actually create a business and grow a business in network marketing space without making that list of 100 and then going and prospecting them and still have birthday parties, anniversaries, and everything where the people don't have to avoid you. Would you like that? So stay until the end of this video. I'm going to share with you everything you need to know. If you're new here, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they don't have to prospect anyone, chase their friends and family, and they actually attract ideal prospects to them so they can create a lifestyle that they love. Also consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share a new episode every single week helping you with your network marketing business. Okay, so like I said, when you first get started with a company, with a business, you're asked to create a list of 100. Some companies ask you to create a list of as many people, of all the people that you know. It's sometimes 200, 300, 400 people, and then to go and sort them and invite them all to take a look at your new business, at your new opportunity. Usually there are scripts that come along with that. But here's the thing, when you create that list and you know your list of your contacts, they fall into two categories. There's people that you know, there's people that you will ask to help you move, there's your immediate family like your mom, your sister, people that you're really close to, your best friends. But then there's other people, the majority of your list, people who you maybe don't know that well, and people who you haven't been in touch forever. So why is it like so terrible to go and reach out to everyone on your list when you first get started in network marketing? For example, you haven't talked to your high school friend in 20 years and all of a sudden you pop up in their feed and start messaging them, start calling them, and then you introduce them to your business. It's gonna be very awkward. I'm going to share with you in this video what to do instead, but this is the thing. So just know your list, it has people who are immediate hot really prospects. And so idea behind creating a list and having reaching out to your warm market is because they're what it's called low-hanging fruit. These are people that already know you. It's more likely that they will buy or join you versus people that you don't know, that you still have to build those relationships so they actually know, like, and trust you, right? And when I joined my company, that's what I was told to do as well. I did it as an introvert, and more importantly, not just introvert, but I was super shy. And for me to actually reach out to somebody of my strong friends and get rejected, it was really uncomfortable, especially like if I would follow up with them, which I didn't know how to do properly, and then get rejected again, or they just start avoiding me or talk behind my back. It just did not feel comfortable. But I was willing to do whatever it takes, and I did it. And I burned lots of relationships because of that, because I was just like excited. I was ignorance on fire, but that's not always a good thing. So I burned a lot of those relationships. So here's the thing. I think that having a list is actually beneficial, but I don't think we should use that list to go and prospect everyone on. What I think your list is, it's a resource. It's a resource that you have. It's the contacts that you have. And that resource has like thousands of other contacts that they're connected with. So it's really your network. And it would be crazy to say, just ignore your warm market. Don't do anything with your warm market. By the way, in my team, I don't teach prospecting of your warm market or your cold market. But here's the thing. When you have that list of your contacts, what I feel should be done is with the people that you know really well, that you stay in touch with, that you need to actually let them know what you're doing, but not in a way that you're prospecting them, that you're asking them to buy from you, in a way that you are letting them know what you're doing. It's probably not something for you. Get that pressure off, but ask them for referrals. If their friend is looking for a way to be home with their kids and work from home or something, that you're gonna be the first person that they think about. So that is one thing. The second thing is, remember that list that we said that you haven't been in touch in a while, or you don't know that well. The ones that you don't know that well, build that relationship, get to know them, really take time to grow new relationships. And with the ones that you haven't been in touch with, reach out to them, but don't talk about the business. It may be something that comes up, or maybe they see your post, but don't bring it up. Just build that relationship back, because you just never know what's going on in somebody's life. This is especially true when it comes to my products. For example, I really love the product that we are using, and it helps so many people with their health, and I cannot help it. If I'm in conversation with someone that I don't know that well, I would be doing them this service if I don't mention that I know of a product that can help them. And it just happened today. He had a really scare around their health, and I'm like, I think what I have would help you. And I shared some studies, I shared some testimonials, and we're getting her started tomorrow. So I think it's important for you, if you're passionate, if you know that something is going to help, to hold it back. Or no, it's like, I'm not going to be prospecting anyone. It's different, right? You can bring that up later, and it will probably come up in some conversations later on. So this is what I feel like. Your list needs to be a resource. And when you first get started, you really need to be keeping track of your contacts. So really, it's going to be your follow-up contacts, your network. So however you want to do it, if you have it written down in a notebook, or if you have a digital way, but you got to kind of keep track of your resources, right? Your list is one of your resources. In my team, I don't teach them to prospect. What we do instead is we actually have a social media plan of building. So they actually create super cool curiosity educational posts. They announce to their friends that they joined something, and then they're following up with people who actually raise their hands and want to know more information. If you lead with curiosity, people are just naturally going to be curious. They're going to want to know what it is, especially somebody who's close to you, and then you can have a conversation. It's different than to have scripts to help your newest people to follow up properly, to not just send them links, to actually ask them right questions before they do that, to share the information properly. So it's okay to have scripts for that, but I just don't have scripts to send directly to people to prospect them. It's very different. You're following up, they're raising their hand, they want to know more information, and you're going to ask a question, you're going to probe a little bit more what kind of solutions that they seek. You want to know a little bit more about the problem, how desperate are they to solve that problem, before you share any more information. So our system, when somebody new gets started, is we actually teach them how to get to their first customer within first 48 hours, how to get to the first rank in first 7 days, and how to get to the core rank in the first month, hitting all of the fast start bonuses and all the benefits that they can for getting their business off the ground. This is what we focus on in our marketing, the social media marketing strategy for the new people. And you can learn more about this in my free attraction marketing bootcamp. This is where I learned all of these things, and that's why I created this system for my team that is super simple. So we don't actually create that list of 100 anymore. We focus on getting them that fast results. My team is actually not quitting before they get started, because they're excited about what they have to do. It's not, doing something really uncomfortable like it is sending those messages to people that you hardly know. Somewhere around this video, I'm going to post a link for my free attraction marketing bootcamp, where you can learn all those strategies that I learned and implemented for my team, so that way we have a way for them to get started, to have success in the first 30 days without having to prospect, without having to make the dreaded list of 100. And they're actually not dropping like they used to when that was like the first time they had to do. They were procrastinating and or not wanting to do it or doing it and having no success. I reached out to all the people that I know, and now what? This works. In my bootcamp, you can learn what attraction marketing is, how it works, and how you can implement it in your business. My question for you is, do you have a system that doesn't require you to make a list of 100? And thank you so much for watching. It's getting dark here since I've been here, so hope you can see me okay. I'm gonna be moving inside shortly, but I hope this was valuable. If it was, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel, because every single week I share a new episode helping you with your business. So I'll see you on the next one.